Question number 1. Chandrayaan-3 has been launched from which of the following center? Answer is option B. Satish Dhawan Space Center. Question number 2. Which launching vehicle is used in the launch of Chandrayaan-3? Answer is option A. GSLV. Question number 3. What is the mass of propulsion module used in Chandrayaan-3? Answer is option D. 2148 kg. Question number 4. The mission life of the lander and rover of Chandrayaan-3 equals to? Answer is option D. 14 Earth Day. Question number 5. The Chandrayaan-3 mission's lander is known as? Answer is option B. Lander Vikram. Question number 6. Which part of the moon is Chandrayaan-3 aiming to land near? Answer is option A. South Pole. Question number 7. When was Chandrayaan-3 launched? Answer is option A. 14th July 2023. Question number 8. What is the unique feature of Chandrayaan-3's landing in comparison to other nations' lunar missions? Answer is option D. Landing on Moon's South Pole. Question number 9. Who is the director of the Chandrayaan-3 mission? Answer is option A. Ritu Karidhal. Question number 10. What is the total weight of Chandrayaan-3? Answer is option B. 3,900 kg. Question number 11. What is the total cost of mission Chandrayaan-3? Answer is option B. 600 crore. Question number 12. What is that one thing in Chandrayaan-3 and not in Chandrayaan-2? Answer is option A. Laser Doppler velocimeter, that is LDV. Question number 13. What is the name of the rover of Chandrayaan-3? Answer is option D. Rover Pragyaan. Question number 14. How many days did Chandrayaan-3 take to reach the moon's surface? Answer is option D. 40 days. Question number 15. Which fuel was used in Chandrayaan-3? Answer is option B. Liquid hydrogen and liquid oxygen. Question number 16. Who is known as the rocket women of Chandrayaan-3? Answer is option A. Ritu Karidhal. Question number 17. What is Shiv Shakti Point on Moon? Answer is option A. Landing site of Chandrayaan-3. Question number 18. Chandrayaan-3's rover has confirmed the presence of which of the following? Answer is option D. Oxygen and sulfur. Question number 19. What is Chandrayaan-3's Pragyaan looking for on the moon's surface? Answer is option A. Signs of frozen water. Question number 20. Which country is the fourth country to successfully land a spacecraft on the moon? Answer is option B. India. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.